Taliban condemns forced repatriation of Afghan refugees by Pakistan. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has strongly criticized Pakistan for what it describes as the forced repatriation of Afghan refugees in violation of international, Islamic, and neighborly principles. Abdul Mutalib Haqqani, the spokesperson for Afghanistan's Ministry of Refugees, told the BBC that Pakistan is expelling Afghan refugees without any proper agreement or mechanism. He emphasized that Afghanistan is not against the return of its nationals, but insists it must happen through a mutual understanding between the two countries. He said refugees should be returned in a dignified and orderly manner. Haqqani also highlighted reports of looting and mistreatment of refugees by local Pakistani residents during the deportations. Trump warns China of 50% tariffs if retaliatory measures are not removed. Former U.S. President Donald Trump has issued a warning to China, stating that if Beijing does not remove its 34% retaliatory tariffs on U.S. products, the U.S. will impose an additional 50% tariff on Chinese goods. Trump made the announcement in a social media post on Monday, giving China a deadline of Tuesday to comply. This move follows China's recent decision to apply 34% tariffs on American goods in response to earlier U.S. tariffs. The exchange signals a renewed escalation in trade tensions between the world's two largest economies.